Good day everyone, this is Jason Doctor. In this video, I will discuss to you about computer abuses. When we say computer abuses, it doesn't mean that it is all about how we abuse personal computers by destroying it, but more than that. There are many reported cases of computer abuses. Here are some of the issues that are covered or classified. Types of computer abuses. These are denial of service, hacking, flamming, spamming, worm and viruses, internet hoaxes. And ethics deals with placing a value on acts according to whether they are good or bad. Ethics involves standards, values, morals, principles, and the like, which are basis for one's decision or actions. When computers first began to be used, there were no ethical standards relevant of it. Today, most of the rules on the ethical use of computers have already been formulated as laws. Let us now discuss the different issues classified as a computer abuses. So, number one is, what is denial of service? When we say denial of service, it is characterized by an explicit attempt by attackers to prevent or bar legitimate users of computers from availing themselves of computer services. So, there are examples of denial service attacks. So, number one is attempts to flood a network, thereby preventing legitimate network traffic. Number two is attempt to disrupt connections between two machines, thereby preventing access to a service. Number three is attempts to prevent a particular individual from accessing a service. And lastly, number four is attempts to disrupt service to a specific system or person. So denial of service attacks come in a variety of forms and uh, aim at a variety of services. There are basic types of attack. So consumption of scarce, limited, or non-renewable resources, destruction or alteration of configuration information, and physical destruction or alteration of network components. So let's discuss about the consumption of scarce resources. Targets network connectivity. The goal is to prevent hosts or network servers from communicating on the network. In this type of attack, the attacker begins the process of establishing a connection to the victim machine, but does it in such a way as to prevent the ultimate completion of the connection. So next, we look at distraction or alteration of configuration. An improperly configured computer may not perform well or may not operate at all, because an intruder may be able to alter or destroy configuration information that prevents you from using your computer or network. For example, if an intruder can change the routing information in a Windows NT machine, certain functions may be unavailable. And finally, we considered attacks aimed at physical destruction or alteration of network components. The primary concern in this type attack is physical security. You should guard against unauthorized access to computers, routers, network writing closets, network backbone segments, power and cooling stations, and any other critical components of your network. Physical security is a prime component in a guarding against many types of attack. And that ends my report. Thank you for watching.